Hey guys, today let's learn how to add certification in your LinkedIn on mobile over to your LinkedIn account. And to do this, all we need to do is to click on our profile picture right here and then head on over on our view profile. So basically, once you're here onto your view profile, I want you to head on over and click your add section and then head on over to your recommended. And over here, as you can see, you could actually click on Add Licenses and Certifications. You could also enter the name of the certification where that is from, also the organization. You could also add the issue date. The expiration date of it is going to expire anytime soon also. Credential ID and the credential URL, basically a link to that specific certificate. Maybe a link to a PDF of that file, and maybe from Google Drive, and stuff like that. Click on Save once you're done. And basically that is how you add your certification on LinkedIn in mobile. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. And again, this has been